In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable content protection in Telegram channels. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to help protect your posts from being copied or shared outside the channel, Telegram offers a content protection feature. When enabled, it limits subscribers from forwarding messages and saving certain types of content from your channel. Start by opening the Telegram channel, where you're the owner or an administrator with permission to manage the channel's settings. Once you're inside the channel, tap the pencil icon located in the top right corner to access the administrative settings. From the Channel Settings menu, tap on Channel Type. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you'll see a toggle labeled Restrict Saving Content. Once Restrict Saving Content is enabled, Telegram will prevent subscribers from forwarding messages directly from your channel. It also limits the ability to save certain media and copy text from protected posts, helping reduce unauthorized sharing of your content. Keep in mind that while Restrict Saving Content helps discourage forwarding and copying through Telegram's built-in features, it can't prevent every possible method of sharing, such as someone taking a screenshot or using another device to capture your content. That's all there is to enabling content protection in Telegram channels. It's a useful feature for channel owners who want greater control over how their content is shared within Telegram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.